Hi, my beautiful souls. Hope you all are doing fantastic, mind blowing. This is Neha Tanka. You guys also know me as Luna the Moon Tarot. So, here I come again with yet another video for you. So, this particular video is basically focused upon the full moon effects, how your life is treating right now, how your love life is going on, what is your person's current thoughts and feelings towards you right now. So I'm going to go and cover that in case if you are in a no contact situation, in a separation situation. This entire video will let you know what exactly is happening on their front. In case you've been wondering, have your person been missing you, are they thinking about reconciliation or not, then again this is going to be the answer for you. So you know the drill already. Whether in a no contact separation situation, third party situation, whether a breakup is going on, or the relationship is not going the way it is supposed to, then you have landed at the right video right now. You know the spark. Take your person's name, take 3 deep breath and hit on the like button right now and drop "I claim this energy" in the comment section for me to connect with your energies. And the very first card that came out is the Tower card. Of course, somebody is definitely going through a no contact situation. It seems there seems to be a breakup, there seems to be a heartbreak over here, but having said that, I also feel that even though if it is a no contact situation, there is some amount of realization that is coming in this particular situation. Your person is realizing something really big, something really solid about you and about this particular connection. Whatever went down is now coming all together on its own. With the Justice card, I do see that maybe you have been going through, you are with somebody who's already married, or probably you are somebody who's married going through a separation or a divorce situation or something like that. But definitely I do see that with the Justice card, I do see that some legal issues can also be involved in this particular situation. Either you are going through a divorce, they are going through a divorce, or there is a third party situation, or somebody is already a divorcee over here. Having said that, I do see that something related to marriage is also a part of this particular connection. Probably if none of you is divorced or married, or one of you, or whatever it is, if nothing of that sort is there, I do see something related to commitment. Probably you are asking for commitment, for stability from your person, or something like that. Take how it may resonate with you, but definitely stability is a concern here. Somebody is looking for stability, somebody is looking for security, somebody is looking forward to settle down, and that is becoming a challenge, a problem in this particular connection. With the Four of Cups, I do see that in this particular situation there is a little bit of disconnect. Probably either you are looking at the past, or your person is looking at the past. I feel that somebody is definitely looking at the past and not ready to receive the cup of love that you are offering to them right now. So I feel that even though things could have been better, even though things could have been really great between you and your person, I do see that because of that particular disconnect, okay, things have become literally bad, ugly. Maybe a no contact fight may have occurred in this particular situation, and I do see a runner chaser dynamics that tells me that probably you are either chasing them, they are running away, or they are chasing you, you are running away. Take how it may resonate, but definitely there's a runner chaser dynamics. There are lies and deception. Somebody seems to be off this particular connection and running away from this particular situation. With the Judgment card, like I said in the beginning of this reading itself, that there are chances that your person is running away, but even though if they are running away from this particular connection, I see a second chance coming. With the Judgment card, the divine itself is playing a role in this particular connection. When in case if you've been facing a no contact situation, or the person is not listening to you at all, so now is the time when your person is going to listen to you. I see a second chance coming in. I see that the divine itself is playing a role in this particular situation, and they are going to connect with you. They are going to contact you pretty soon. Whatever discontentment, whatever fights, whatever problems that you guys were facing, now things are going to get resolved pretty soon. Pretty soon. All right. And I see a message coming in. With the Page of Pentacles, I see a message coming in for few of you when it comes to your career. I feel that you're working very hard. You have a goal. You want to buy a house, and you're working very hard towards it. And I do see that somebody seems to be signing paperwork, or buying that house, or doing that house hunt, house search. But I do see that somebody seems to be buying a house, moving places, and or even if it's if it's a rented house, I see you moving places. I see relocation here for few of you. Okay, but I do see that a message is going to come in pretty soon, and this person is going to break the no contact situation, the silence which has been there between you and them. And I do see that in case if there has been a third party situation in this particular connection, then I do see that no contact situation is breaking. They are leaving third party. They are coming forward towards you because they couldn't do without you. Okay, whatever fears and phobias you are having, whether this particular connection is going to go somewhere, whether there is a future in this particular connection, this reading is going to answer everything, guys, because I see that the post full moon effects are not that great, but it is going to become better by the end of July, and by the time August arrives, in the very first week and in the very first 15 days, I see you conquering your fears, you conquering your phobias, you're coming out of the third party situation. I see you actually, you are getting a message. I see that somewhere down the line, you are moving houses. You can be even shifting together. This person can actually send you a message wherein they may even ask you to move in with them. For few of you, I see you actually staying together, and I see moving houses. I see staying together. I see you coming out of the phobia. Whatever toxicity was there in this particular connection, that is gonna go. Okay, whatever phobias you had, that is gonna go. Whatever addiction issues your person had, I think they are going to take control on them as well, in case if they are addicted to any sort of substance, maybe drinking, smoking, alcohol, drugs, whatsoever. And if you've been asking them to leave that, that is also going to get resolved in this particular situation. With the Wheel of Fortune, I see that you're also dealing with your karmic connection. This is a karmic partner, guys, and until unless you do not pay off your karmic debts, I feel that it is not going to move forward. So whatever the Wheel of Fortune is turning, and I feel that whatever things were up in the air and nothing was making sense, with divine timing, everything will start free flowing. This person can be also stalking you right now, trying to observe what exactly is happening, where exactly you are, with whosoever you've been mingling up, what you have been up to in life, and that transformation is now happening, that is coming. There is an ending, but an ending of negative cycle and a beginning of a new positive cycle is just around the corner. This person is going to take action, and they are coming all charged up towards you. I feel that now no contact situation is going to break within July itself, and you already feel that in your guts right now. Intuitively, you need to listen to yourself, because I see your intuitions are also very high. And if you listen to your intuitions are actually guiding you the right path, towards the right path. Okay, so whatever responsibility, whatever traumas that you have been facing because of this particular connection, you will get rid of that. And whatever stagnant situation that was there in this particular connection, that is going to go. The confusion is going to go in your mind, in their mind, and I see a strong reconciliation coming up for you within this very month of July itself. So guys, I hope that this particular reading resonated with you. Majority of you, I see good things are coming, and I also feel that in this particular situation, in case if you're going through this particular, if this reading resonates with you, then this particular reading, in this particular situation, you can go for the 21 days love combo. If you have a small budget, that you can go for 3 days mini love combo as well. And apart from that, if you are only looking for reconciliation communication to start, then you can go for my 7 days love, reconciliation and communication spell work. And again, if you have a small budget, that you can go for 1 day mini spell as well for the reconciliation. If the communication is still there but you want it to get better, then go for the love obsession spell work. All right guys, so I'm gonna see you later, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe me on Instagram and YouTube both, because I bring a lot of content on both my platforms. And yeah, so I'm gonna see you later. See you everyone. Ta-ta.